So I thought I'd find a nice relaxing place to. I've been wandering around the Magic Kingdom, and this looks like a nice place to relax, chill out, and maybe think about where my wife could have hidden in the Magic. I'm looking at it and still haven't bumped into Tim's record. We're not gonna find it. But my wife, she was supposed to be here. Where's Lee? Don't know. But nice, relaxing. Why are we moving? Why are we moving? Are we moving? Why are you not moving, but I am moving? What's going on? What's going on? You guys are moving. I grab you. Okay. Look at what I'm seeing. This is the craziness. This is crazy. What the house? Hi, mouse. How you doing? Right. Why? Oh, yeah, just get over here. Stay like this. All right, we'll keep right here. No. Are we spinning? We don't need to spin. Wait. Now that I'm busy, I don't think I'm going to find Lee's anymore. We better go look someplace else. Let's get out of this crazy teacup. Right?